Hello, welcome back to Weku Gardens. It's me, Christina, and I am in the process of cleaning out my grow tent, aka plant ICU. Some made it, some didn't, as you can tell. The first thing I do is I get all of the smaller plants out first and kind of put them to the side. And then I take my paintbrush and get up any small particles or loose debris and just get it in a pile and just usually get it up with a paper towel. I also go back in and spray like a solution of neem oil and water, a cold pressed neem oil, just as a preventative measure. So far so good. I haven't had any major pests in the grow tent, which I'm actually pretty happy about. And that's pretty much it. I will probably go ahead and change the little stickies out, water again, check vitals. My Meyer lemon is actually doing okay. It doesn't look okay, but it's doing okay. My fig, not too sure about that one. And it's really weird. I got this papaya tree back in August and it has held on. I'm pretty sure I won't get any papayas, but I really like the foliage on it. I think it's really pretty and tropical, so I really can't wait to actually put it out on our deck, our patio. Please do not ask questions about this kumquat tree because I'm feeling some type of way about it. Yeah, I'm still trying to get over that. But anyways, over here I have some lettuce and 3 pomegranate seedlings that I actually started from seeds from the wonderful pomegranate. So hopefully they'll continue to thrive. So far so good, and happy gardening. Peace, love, and Weku.